Okay, I've been dreading making this video for a bit now. As you can hear, Brock's whirling away, and I know this video is going to be late. You guys are going to get it on Monday, not on your usual Thursday. There's a problem with Brock. Okay, there's a problem. I have to show you. It's hard to explain. Okay, it's really hard to explain. I have to stop the recording, but I'll pick it up literally right here so you guys can see. And yes, this is recorded off my cell phone, so I'm going to try to get as good of audio as I can out of it, and it's shaky, and it's rushed. I'm sorry, okay? Okay, so, yes, it's a messy room. It's work and everything, but look at this. Look at that. You can't even see what he's printing. What is he printing? You can't even see the filament. What is this? What is going on? Like, what is going on? I mean, do other Ender 3 users, do you guys have this problem? Do you guys run into this where your machine suddenly has blur? Like, is that normal? And I know I'm playing hell with the exposure right now. But, I mean, is that normal? Blur, like that, normal? I don't know. I honestly don't know. You guys will have to tell me. Anyways, I've been dying to work on the toaster. It's something I haven't been able to do. I know, it sucks. Sitting down there. But, I mean, I can't work on it. Brock's doing something. What it is, I don't know. But at least I'm working on the Get Out of Dodge plan. My cousin's been going ham. I bought him some crayons and some paper. So he's writing up the actual plan part. I'm writing up the actual how I got here part, if that makes sense. So if no one's told you today, I'm going to tell you from the bottom of my heart, I love you. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. And without you, I'd be creating this stuff anyways. But at least somebody's watching. So I really love you guys. And thank you for that. Bye.